Discover your musical potential on Yannis Kapa guitar. This is Yannis Kapa. For this week's video, we're going to learn A minor chord. Okay, everybody. A minor chord. The A minor chord is one of the most popular chords on the guitar. So let's get started. So first fret, first finger, first fret, second string. Okay, then you put your second finger on second fret, fourth string, and then you put your third finger on second fret, third string, and that's your A minor chord. Okay. Now I was always remind you to always use your fingers, your fingertips. Okay. Play it like this. See that? Don't play it like this, because you want to get a clear sound. So don't let your fingers to touch the other strings adjacent to the one you're pressing. Okay. Another way to do it, of course, is to put your thumb, on the middle of the fretboard and right across your middle finger, so have a better grip on the guitar. Okay. So this gives you a clear sound. And of course, another one, yeah, I'm gonna mention everything, so always leave empty space between your fingers. Don't go like this. A lot of people make the mistake with the finger, with the thumb, put it like this. You don't have control and you don't get a clear sound. This is really important, okay? It's not hard, it's not science, you just have to do it right. And there you go, that's your A minor. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, click the bell icon, leave a comment, click view, so you will get every week a video about guitar lessons, anything related to guitars, and how to learn how to play. And that's for this week's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Take care.